In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a campaign in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring your existing campaign data into Zoho without getting lost in the interface. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, look at the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. From there, you'll want to go straight to the Campaigns module. This is where all your marketing campaigns are organized and where Zoho gives you tools to track performance, leads, and responses. Click on Campaigns. This opens up the campaign list view where you can see any existing campaigns that are already in your system. At the top right of this page, you'll usually see a button to create a new campaign. Don't click directly on the button itself just yet. Instead, look for the small arrow or drop-down icon next to the Create Campaign button. Clicking that small arrow will open a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, choose the option labeled Import Campaigns. This is what allows you to bring campaign data into Zoho from outside sources, instead of creating everything manually from scratch. Once you select Import Campaigns, Zoho will take you to the Import Setup screen. Here, you'll see different ways to bring data in. One of the main options is to import from a file. This is useful if you have your campaigns saved in a spreadsheet or a CSV file. Before you upload, it helps to quickly review your file and make sure your columns are clearly labeled, because you'll match these to Zoho's fields in the next steps. You'll also see an option to import from other CRMs. Choose this if you're moving over from another system and Zoho supports a direct import from that platform. This can save you time compared to exporting and cleaning a file yourself. After you've chosen either to import from a file or from another CRM, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho will guide you through selecting your file or source, mapping your fields to Zoho's campaign fields, and confirming the import. Take a moment to double-check field mappings, especially campaign names, start and end dates, and any key identifiers you rely on. When you've completed the prompts, confirm the import and let Zoho process the data.